Dear students, now we'll discuss about the displacement. So what is displacement? Yes, it is the shortest distance. भाई longest distance कौन सी होती है जरा मुझे बता दें. There is no question of shortest distance. If somebody asks you in mathematics, find the distance between A and B. So what is this? Which is the shortest distance? What is the longest distance? Just tell me. The distance between A and B is nothing but this is the only distance. It cannot be shortest, cannot be longest. It is always this one. Similarly, if suppose we ask you that what is the distance between A and C, so this is the distance between A and C. So no need to say shortest distance. So distance is between the 2 points is always shortest. So no need to say shortest because there is no longest distance between A and B. So distance between A and B is always this one. Distance between A and C is only this one. So now what is displacement? That we just try to explain. Now to understand displacement, let us take some one example. That this is your house, that means the origin. At 0 time, you are at origin, so x0 equals to 0 meter. Now in 5 seconds, you move to the position A, that is 30 meter away from your house. So your position at 5 seconds will be 30 meter. Now after 5 minutes further, that means at 10 seconds, 5 seconds, 10 seconds, you reach to B. So your position at 10 seconds will become 80 meter, that is the B. And in further 5 seconds, you reach to point C, which is 150 meter away from your house. That means your position at 15 seconds will be 150 meter. I just repeat. ध्यान दीजिए. Initially you are at house, so when time was 0, your position was 0 meter. Within 5 seconds, you reach to A from your house, which is 30 meter away from your house. So your position at 5 seconds is 30 meter. Further in 5 seconds, that means in total 10 seconds, you are at position B. That means you are 80 meter away from your house. So position at 10 seconds is 80 meter. Now further 5 minutes, you move to position C. So which is 150 meter away from your house. So position at 15 seconds is 150 meter. Now if I ask to find out the change during first 5 seconds, 0 to 5 seconds, the change in position is equal to what? Initially you were at 0, at 5 seconds you are at 30 meter. So change in position is nothing but position at 5 seconds minus position at 0. So that is 30 minus 0, that is 30 meter, and that is nothing but OA. This is the distance OA. This is the distance OA. Secondly, if you find 0 to 10 seconds, so that is the change in position will be this one. I call it OB. And OB is nothing but position at 10 second minus position at 0 second. That is 80 minus 0. That is 80 minus 0. That is 80 meter. Similarly, if change in position between 5 to 10 seconds. 5 to 10 seconds. At 5 seconds, you are at A, and in 10 seconds, you are at B. So that means the change in position is now AB, and that is the position at 10 seconds minus position at 5 seconds. That is 80 minus 30. That is 50 meters. And what is the change in position during 0 to 15 seconds? So 0 to 15 seconds, the change in position will be OC. Distance between OC. I said it will be position at 15 seconds minus position at 0 second. And that is 150 meter minus 0 meter, that is 150 meter, which is the distance OC. So what is this change in position? How much position was changed here? It was 30 minus 0, that means this distance OA. What was the change in position from this to this? That time this is the distance OB, that is 80 meter, that is position at 10 second minus position at 0 second. Similarly, what was the change in position during 5 to 10 second? It was AB, and AB is nothing but 80 minus 30. That means the position at 10 second minus position at 5 second. So what is all this we have done? This is nothing but this is the displacement during that particular time interval. So now displacement can be defined as change in position of a body during a certain time interval. Again I will repeat, displacement is the change in position in due course of time. So there is no need to say shortest distance. Please, it is, mind it, the displacement is change in position during certain interval of time or in due course of time. Whatever you like to write it, you can write the definition. Now if we try to find the displacement during first 5 seconds, so this is the change in position is this minus this. So this is the OA, the distance OA, the distance between these two positions at 5 second, position at 5 second minus position at 0 second, that is 30 meter. What is the displacement during first 10 seconds? So this is the change in position in 10 seconds, that is the change in position X, position at 10 second minus position at 0 second, that is OB, and that is 80 meter. What is the change in this? What is the displacement during 5 to 10 seconds? So then again, change in position at 10 second minus position at 5 second. That is the distance between A and B. So this is the AB, that is 50 meter. So there is no need of saying shortest. It is only just to find change in position during the two intervals of time. Now the displacement during 0 to 15 seconds will be the change in position at 15 second and 0 second. That means this is the distance between O and C. That is, this is the OC, and this is position at 15 minus position at 0. So 15, position at 15 is 150 meter. Position at 0 is 0. That is 150 minus 0 is 150 meter. That is the distance OC. So what is the need to say shortest? No. So I repeat, displacement is nothing but change in position of a body in due course of time. Let us take one more example to make displacement more clear. Suppose a boy wishes to go to his friend's house to study, but in the meantime he remembers that he needs a book as well as a notebook. So he, instead of going from A to C, instead of going to his friend's house directly, he goes first to the market B, which is 200 meters away from his house, and then goes to friend's house, which is 100 meters away from the market. So, as far as the displacement is concerned, displacement is change in position. Change in position. That means initially his position was at home A, and finally his position was at his friend's house, that is C. So the displacement will be the distance, yani change in the two positions, means the change in A and C, that is the distance between A and C, which is AC, and that is 250 meter. So this is the displacement of the friend, 250 meter. After returning to home, finally his position is at A. Initial position was A, final position is also A. So the displacement is again change in position. As there is no change in position, so the displacement will be 0 meter. That you can understand when he goes from A to C via this way or any other way, so the displacement was positive, that is 250 meter, when he was moving from A to C, either this way or that way, whatever it is. And when he returned, then the displacement is CA, that is minus 250 meter. So the total displacement can be considered as the sum of these two, that is plus 250 minus 250, that is equal to 0 meter. Or here you can say this total displacement will be AC minus CA, that is 250 plus minus 250, because CA is minus of AC. So it will be minus 250. So 250 minus 250 equals to 0 meter. So this way the displacement can be 0 because it is the change in position. When there is no change in position, then the displacement will be 0 always.
प्यारे बच्चों, अगर आपने अभी तक चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कर लें। उसमें सब्सक्रिप्शन जो है फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट होता है, और इसका एक बड़ा बेनिफिट ये है कि अगर आप इसके सब्सक्रिप्शन कर लेंगे तो प्लेलिस्ट में जाकर के आप पुराने वीडियोस भी देख सकते हैं, और फोर्थकमिंग वीडियोस तो आपको ऑटोमेटिकली मिलते ही रहेंगे। तो चैनल है जीवन सफलता सूत्राज बाय जुगरान सर, www.youtube.com/@Sutras by Jugran Sir।